unforgettable. The cool breeze on our faces and the warmth of friendly locals waving as we passed by. We shared laughs over sizzling Korean food. Then that magical moment, our first snow. We stood in awe, watching snowflakes dance around us, biking through the city at night, the streets alive with lights, skiing down. We felt pure joy, the cold air filling our lungs as we raced each other. Every moment was perfect. Just us, friends, and the beauty of South Korea in winter.